The last video I do of this F-150, and boy, she is clean. (2017) 3.5 liter twin turbo 10-speed automatic transmission, bronze fire metallic. I love the color. Looks burgundy there, but you get up close, it's got some burnt orange in it. Bronze. Yeah, it's pretty darn cool color. Yeah, that's a good representation on my camera, on the screen anyway, of what it looks like. I got 20-inch moto metals. I think they're 11 inches wide. I got 12.5-inch wide, 35-inch tall tires. Got the Nitto tires. I think they're grapplers or something. Ridge grappler, yeah. And they've got about 28,000 miles on them. They still got about half the tread. But I really enjoyed the truck. I got mad at it and did a video on YouTube one time of it getting stuck in the mud. But that's because the people that put the lift kit on it didn't tighten something on the shaft or axle or something. It was slipping. So it got me stuck. I'll take you around to the inside. It's got 43,000 some odd miles on it, and it has done very well for me. Got the camo interior, or seat covers anyway. They've done really well. I can't remember the brand, but they've done really well for me. Then I think these are Husky liners or WeatherTech. Can't remember because there's slack. Sticker came off. But other than that, they've been real good. And I mean, that floor's never seen dirt. There you go again. So how clean that floor is. I like how these lift up and out of the way on the Ford. And this is a Super Crew with a 5.5-foot bed. Boy, look at that paint shine. I did have it waxed. I usually don't put that kind of slick stuff on the tires because it just attracts dirt. But I'm selling it. Selling it for $31,000 or best offer. It's got a 4-inch rough country lift on it. Got these rough country step bars. And I believe these are rough country as well, and they're paint matched. This is all aluminum body. Or this is, not this. I just thought I'd throw that in there. But I got fender flares, paint matched. Yeah, that's a good show of the different color here, just because of the reflection of the light. It's almost like that chameleon paint, but just subtle. I really like it. And I've got the windows tinted all the way around, every window in it. There's hardly even a ding in the whole vehicle. Anyway, if you're interested, or if you know somebody interested, feel free to share this video. If not, at least like the video and maybe subscribe if you like classic car videos. This is not a classic car, but it has helped me pull some cars on my little trailer here and there. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.